Hey there, it's Neeraja Manam, your host for the podcast that's all about abundant knowledge and continuous growth. Welcome to a world where learning meets career development, where we explore various topics to help you excel in your professional and personal life. Whether you are a mechanical engineer looking to level up your skills or a non technical individual ready to turn your ideas into reality, this podcast is for you. Every episode is packed with insights, discussions, and practical advice to propel you towards success. We dive deep into the topics that matter, covering everything from technical know how to personal development strategies. Our goal is to provide you the tools, knowledge, and inspiration needed to build a fulfilling career and a life of a purpose. But here's the best part, our podcast is not just about passive listening. We want you to actively engage and participate in your growth journey. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and connect with like minded individuals. We believe in the power of community, and together we can achieve great things. Now, here's something special for you. We have created a membership program exclusively for our dedicated listeners by enrolling in our program. You'll gain access to bonus content, exclusive interviews with industry experts, and tailored resources to further enhance your professional development. The link to enroll is provided below, so don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Whether you are a mechanical engineer seeking to stay ahead of the curve or someone ready to transform their ideas into reality, this podcast is your go-to resource. We are here to fuel your growth, expand your skills, and ignite your passion. Stay tuned for exciting episodes where you will dive deep into the fascinating topics, share success stories, and provide practical tips that you can implement right away. Remember, knowledge is power, and we are here to empower you. So hit that subscribe button and get ready to embark on an incredible journey of learning and development. Together, let's unlock your full potential. Thank you for tuning into today's episode. Don't forget to click the link below to enroll in our membership program and take your professional development to new insights.